You're about to be in the best new season of your life. And this is not just one season. This is going to be a repeated process throughout the remainder of your life. And it's because you have endured, you've passed many tests, and you paid attention. When God gave you them downloads, when God gave you those intuitive hits in your dream, or just, you walking around and, you hear the Holy Spirit whisper to you, this ain't right, or don't trust this person, or make this move, whatever it is that you picked up on and you abided by it, you have proven to the Most High God that you are obedient. And this is why all those that you've had to separate yourself from, you can pick up on the fact that they're not doing so well, because the favor was with you all along. And so even when you went through those seasons, and some of you, it could have been 1 or 2 seasons, some could have been longer. Even when you went through that time where you felt like life was kind of down in the valley, there was value in your valley. Shout out to Iyanla Vanzant, because she has a book called that. But truly, there was so much truth that you were able to see when you were in that valley. You were able to see people for how they truly were. How were people going to treat you when you weren't the one that when you didn't have it like that to help others? How were they going to treat you when you were the person in need with your hand out? Okay? Many of them couldn't wait for you to be in that position just so that they could say no, just so that they can laugh at you. Some of you were in a valley where you experienced homelessness, and these people turned a blind eye to you. Many laughed, many gossiped, many even denied you, even if you didn't even ask, but they were just so happy just to deny you the opportunity. But you endured, and this is why the blessings and the favor that's happening in your life has really did a doozy on these people in your past, because they thought that once you were down, you were going to stay down. This is why many of them, when they saw you in that position where you slipped a little or you fell, this is why many of them just kind of joined together and just attacked you, because they thought that, okay, she's down, he's down, they got to stay down. They can't get back up. But they didn't understand the power of God that was residing in you. You got back up, and now what they gonna do? They pulling a switcheroo because they want to be on your team now. Don't let them in.